Good morning, Dan. All right, here is your Carter WO sitting on my 48 flathead in blue. Testing and adjustment went really easy, real quick, no leaks. Everything's looking good. Nice and dry down inside. Means I got the float set right. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, sir. All right, and we'll look down again. No leak, no drip. Yeah, looking good. All right, let's look at some numbers. Currently at about 640. I'm gonna go ahead and tweak that up just a little bit. All right, 650 on the RPM bridle. Fuel pressure, 2.75. Vacuum, 23, pretty good. And there's my dwell at 42. All right, we'll pull her through. Stumble, meter on the track. All right, sir. Thank you very much.